Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaskar, my name is Ranveer Singh Luthra.
And I am Mehul Kakkad.
We are from class 11th and we are here to present inertia today. So our first experiment is on the basis of inertia of rest. Here, as you can see, I have 3 books laid down here on a cloth. When I pull on the cloth, normally you can see the books will be moving. But when I put some force or put it with more force, you can see the books will stay at the same place where they started. This is due to inertia of rest. The books have the tendency to stay at rest as they have no external force acting on them.
And now I am going to be demonstrating inertia of direction. So I am going to be spinning this ball. So in a circular motion, the velocity acts tangential to the circular path. So when I spin it and I will stop giving the spin, it will just leave the path with its tangential velocity. So this is due to inertia of direction. When I have stopped giving the force, the direction of the velocity remains the same and the ball moves where it was going.
Here, as you can see, we have an apparatus here with an inclined surface. We use a metal ball here. When we place a metal ball here on the top of the apparatus, it will move with the same velocity and it will regain the same height. The only factor or the force acting upon it will be the force of friction in the system.
You can see if we put it at a lower height, it will just go to the same height it was going.
This is due to inertia of motion. The ball, when it is in motion, it will always remain in motion until the external force, which in this case is friction. This basically shows the basis of which our world, our earth and our universe works on. Thank you.